Okay, now that we finish doors and windows, it's time to clean up our walls. So the first thing we need to do is save this and then do a save as, and then save this into another file. Now this is my 6th backup file, so save. And then we're going to turn off everything except the walls. So we're going to turn the bathroom, the bedroom, the car, the dining, even the doors, the windows, the kitchens, and all furnitures. Okay, so that's what we're supposed to have. Um, this one was part of layer wall or layer 0, so we can put it in layer walls or furniture if you want to. Okay, or you can leave it as is, but we're primarily going to focus on corners. Okay, like this one here. Okay, this is a corner of or intersection of a wall, and it has to um, do a clean intersection. So we're going to first do a break, so BR for break, and then click here and there, and now it has an opening, and then we're going to do a fillet, F for fillet. So select this and that, another fillet, F for fillet, select this and that. There you go. So it has to be clean like this. This one's a little bit easier. We're just going to trim. Okay, this one too, we're just going to trim here and trim there. Okay, over here we're going to trim this and this and that one. This one we're going to just fill it. Okay, so we're going to press escape and then F for fillet, select this and that. There you go. This one we're going to just trim. Oh, T for trim, or no, TR for trim. Yeah, there you go. Looks like that's okay, that's okay. And then we're gonna just work ourselves out and see what else we can clean up here. Okay, this one's trim, this trim. So most of the time it's just trim, except when you want to make a T intersection and the walls are overlapping. Okay, like this one. This one will be perfect for a break first, BR for break, and then make an opening, and then do a fillet. So break and fillet to clean up or make a T intersection. Okay. But if it's already like this, then you just have to trim it. TR for trim. Okay, so you're gonna go all the way around and make sure that you clean up all the walls and there are no more wall in overlapping lines like this. Okay, the lines or the intersections of the walls must be clean. All right. So finish that off and do everything or clean up all the walls and make sure that their intersections and corners are all trimmed.